guys, so today I've got a review to do and it is Rude Cosmetics. Now they emailed me a few months ago actually, I've had this for quite a while, asking if I wanted to try some of their stuff out to do like a review video, and no word of a lie, this is probably maybe my favourite thing that I've ever got to review. The stuff in here, every single thing is literally amazing. I am 100% gonna go buy some more stuff. At the minute they've got a discount on because it's like the holidays. I think it might just be this week or for a few weeks where you get 30% off. So I'm 1,000,000% gonna go buy some more stuff. But I've got 5 things today, so I'm gonna show you them anyway. So they come in this cute little box packaged up and it says makeup with an attitude. And I've got a few skincare things and then a few makeup-y things. So the first thing I'll show you is, well, I'll show you the main thing first, which is this palette. So I think this is probably my favourite item. I've been using this for quite a while now. If you've been watching my videos all the time, when I've had like bright coloured eyeshadow on, it has been this palette. It's my absolute favourite. It's called Fantastique and it's 30 colours. So these are the colours here on the back. And I'll do like a couple of swatches. So like I said, I've been using it, so it's not perfect anymore, but it has a giant mirror up here at the top, and then these are all the colours. They're absolutely insanely pigmented. Like, I have Jeffree Star palettes, I've got Kat Von D palettes, I've got like some real expensive palettes, and honestly, this one is my favourite at the minute. Like I said, I'll do a few swatches. I don't have like primer or anything on my arm, but I'll just kind of do some little finger swatches of a few different colours. A lot of them are shimmery, but there's also some matte ones in there too. Like that's, oh, I always swatch in the stupidest places. Here we go. So that's just a few of them. I'll do this like really bright pink one. Let's do it here. There's also some with bits of glitter in, like this orange one has glitters in it, but I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it in the swatch. Oh, you can see it a little bit. But yeah, these are honestly absolutely amazing. When you're putting them on with a brush on your face, there is no fallout whatsoever. I think I'm just picking up way too much pigment on my fingers here, kind of destroying the palette. But this is only like one of loads of palettes. They have absolutely loads of different ones, like nude ones and like more everyday kind of colours and stuff. And this one was only $19, so super cheap for like the quality of it and everything. Then the next thing is a kind of weird thing. I'm not sure I'd really necessarily buy this usually, but they asked if I wanted to try some stuff, so I thought I would try it out. It's called Yuck Away. Removes dead skin cells, rejuvenating foot essence. It says foot stress relief, regain smooth skin, containing 10,000 ppm of onion extract to cleanse and renew dead skin. Yuck away unpleasant crustiness and roughness from your precious feet with our 2-in-1 foot essence, where onion as the main active ingredient will help reduce toxins while adding hydration. The combination with lime, apple mint and sparkling water will not only rid of any unwanted funky odour, but will also make feet feel fresh and relaxed. So this is this basically. Like a liquid. It does usually come in 2 parts, but I've just mixed it up. So down here is usually like a clear dark brown, and then up here is like an oily white colour, but it says to shake it before using it, and I have just used this. So basically all you do is spray it on your feet and then wash your feet off, and it's super oily, so your skin feels really soft, and it also smells absolutely amazing, like lime. So if you have smelly feet after a day or whatever and you want to have nice smelling feet, so that is a weird little thing. This is $14.50 usually, so there is that. Then next we've got another makeup thing, which is You're So Fine Pigment in the colour Bikini Wax. And this is as it says, a pigment, but it's like a duochrome kind of colour. I'm pretty sure that's showing up on camera, kind of like a golden green. I really love the packaging for this because when you take the lid off, it has this little shaker like cap that you have to pull up to get in. So you pop that open and then you get the product out of there, which is super handy because some of them don't have that and they get loads of pigment all over the cap, which is really annoying. So I'm going to sprinkle a bit on my hand, just do a little swatch. This stuff is insanely sparkly, like amazing. Oh my god, I love it so much. I'm not sure that's even picking up how sparkly it is, but it's incredibly sparkly. Like a golden green kind of colour. I'm probably going to get the other colours of this when I order some stuff. These are $8.50, so you get quite a lot in there for that, I would say. Then we've got two things left. So the first one is this, which is called Foam 'Em Out Charcoal Foam Cleanser. It says, take that deep clogged pores. So this is just a cleanser, a face cleanser with charcoal powder in it. I've been using this quite a lot, as you can see. It's black, obviously, because it's charcoal. Foams up really well, like makes a real bubbly face. Makes it super soft. Hasn't given me any breakouts or problems with my skin or anything, which is really rare with me because my skin is super sensitive. So love this, and this is only $11, which is pretty cheap because it's quite a big like tube of it. And then the last thing that we have is this, which is the Goodnight Coconut Lip Mask. Oh, Coconut Lip Sleeping Pack, it says. So this you're supposed to put on your lips, leave it overnight and rinse off in the morning. I'm not gonna lie, if I put this on at night, by the time it's the morning there's no need to rinse it off because I've either rubbed it all over my pillow or like eaten it in the night. But it smells amazing, it tastes amazing, it's coconut, and it's like a really thick kind of oily texture, like a really thick lip balm sort of stuff, but it's not sticky at all, and when you put it on it feels like you've got the softest lips in the whole entire universe. So love this as well. All of these things say made in Korea on there, don't know if you can see. So they're like kind of Korean skincare products, but made by Rude Cosmetics. So yeah, that was my little kind of review video. Like I said, absolutely love everything that they sent me. I actually do have a discount code, which is Luna15 for 15% off, which I will put here now. But like I said, at the moment it's 30% off because it's the holidays, so obviously that's a better deal. But if you're watching this after that discount has run out, then my code is for 15% off. So but I hope you liked this video anyway, and if you did, please subscribe. If I buy any more stuff from these, which I probably am going to, I'll put it on Instagram and show you like the different things. So if you're not already, then go follow me on Instagram, which again I will put down below. It's LunaLily YouTube, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye guys.